Welcome to Simple Cutting and Sewing channel. First of all, I would like to say thank you to all of my subscribers, and my channel has reached first 1000 subscribers, and thank you very much for all of you for watching and subscribing my channel. So today I am here with another cowl neck design, and this is personally my own way of making cowl neck pattern. So you will not find this pattern anywhere over the internet. So it is very important to use the right type of fabric. Use a nice jersey and drapey fabric. I'm using a viscose fabric to make this type of a drapey dress for you today. And in this video I covered many issues you guys was facing, and many of you requested me to show how to attach this cowl neck with the back part of your top. So I try to cover all of these areas, and some of them ask me to do about this armholes and how to face the issue if they are a little bit longer. So you can see the armholes are not bigger, and I try to cover many of these issues in my video. So this video could be a little bit longer, so I divided it into two part. So stay with me and be patient and continue watching all video so you can see step by step. I will start this cowl neck dress or top, whatever you want to make, by cutting a spare pattern. So spare pattern, I'm using my old pattern which I have cut for my top to cut the new one which we are going to use for this project. And the type of fabric I will be using, that is a viscose fabric. I will start this top by cutting a pattern. After cutting a pattern, fold your fabric, place a pattern on a top and cut as I am cutting. So cut the side of the top, and then cut armholes as well. Armholes are not deeper as compared to front armhole. Cut neckline, fold the neckline and place on a stick-on fabric. Then the same pieces are similar, and then place these front pieces and neckline together and on the back of the top. First of all, remember we are preparing the back. Pin them together and use your sewing machine to stitch and cut the excessive fabric. I have attached back lining. First of all, in this dress it's better to prepare back first. So this is a stick-on fabric, and this when I will fold it inside and then iron it, it will stick to the fabric. So at the moment I'm not going to fold this now. I have overlocker, so I overlock all this area. And if you are using the sewing machine, so you can simply give a double fold and like this for your back neck lining. So this is the back part ready to go, and now we will move to our front part. And for the front part, I have folded this fabric. Use your pins. It's better to pin up this project, so it will be good for you to work with. So now we need our pattern paper again. So first of all, what we need to do, hope you can see properly, here, like this. So this is a folded part, these are open part. So from this part, leave 10 or 11 inches free. I will leave 11 inches. So it is up to you. If you want more drapes, you can leave a little bit more fabric. I think 11 inches will be good enough. So I'm leaving 11 inches and marking it here. So what I'm going to do, this is 11 inches free. I will take my pattern paper which I made for the back. So you use this pattern paper, and right from the shoulder, the mark you made, we are going to make sleeves from here. Like this, put your pattern paper here on this mark, and this fabric is free. And now I'm going to mark my sleeve for the front. It's coming like shoulder, and then for the side I will be giving a shape. So when it's coming over here, I will move my fabric a little bit so I can give a good shape for the front. Keep moving it down so you will have a good shape of your dress or top you are making, like this. And now I'm going to cut. Now our front part look like this. This is 11 inches, this I left free, and here I cut sleeves from the side. I will make them deeper later on, but not at the moment. And this is the side of the side curve for our top or dress, whatever you are making. And I leave some extra length, and whatever the length I want. So later on I will decide if I want to keep it as a long dress or a little bit shorter. So we will do this later on. So this is basically, its shape should look like this at the moment. This is a free part, these are sleeves, and these are curves. So next, what I'm going to do slight curve here, just slight diagonal. And now I'm going to overlock this one, and if you don't have overlocker, doesn't matter, you can use a zigzag, because this part I'm going to fold it like this inside. I will come back. Now I have overlocked this part, this free part, you can see, and you can simply use zigzag machine, zigzag stitch for this area. And now what we need to do, take our pattern, we make for the back. Open this fabric pattern in front of you like this. Hope you can see it properly. Now what I'm going to do, this area which I have cut diagonally, I'm folding it in. So this folding area and this one. So it is up to you. If you want a deep neck, leave it like this, or if you want little smaller fold, so what you will do, about 1 inch go up and pin up here, and on the same side go 1 inch up and then pin up, and see if you like the depth or not. If you think that it's still deep, so what we can do, move it a little bit away, and we will cut from the shoulder. We have to give a shape anyway. So I will move it a little bit up, so both sides basically should be equal. So we'll pin up with a paper. So we have a next free step. I will fold it, and then I will leave it a little bit diagonal like this. So keep watching your drape. And now I will pin up again. It's coming like this. It's not straight, it's coming diagonal because I'm giving a drape in front. And then pin up again, and the same on other side. Fold it. It's you can see there is a diagonal, it's not straight. And then pin up again. And as I mentioned, this video could be a little bit longer, so I will divide into 2 or 3 parts. So keep watching, keep staying with me. So next, third one, fold it again, and then like this. This one fold will be a little bit longer because it's going further down. And make sure we have to match this shoulder area. Remember, we cut this shoulder like this, and make sure this shoulder area matching with it, and the rest of the fabric could go in folds. Now I'm going to give another fold. You can give 3 folds or 4 folds, this is up to you. So I'm gonna give third fold like this and pin up again, and on the same side, same way on another one, third, and then pin up again. And watch this lovely drape coming down, and make sure the sleeves are matching. the sleeves are a little bit bigger, so we will sort them out, and I will tell you how to, if your sleeve, you cut your sleeve a bit longer, so what to do, because I have a few requests asking if the sleeves they get longer, so what we can do. So next step then you can do, this is your sleeve area, right? So give one nice little fold here, so you can see nice drapes everywhere. I think this is full, and just pin it up. So these are the 3 fold I could give. If you have a more fabric, or if you give little bit smaller fold, you can give more folds. Now match this sleeves area with this one, and here as well, same on other side. And now you can see a nice drape is coming in front, and this sleeve area, this one, it look little bit longer. When the sleeves are little bit longer, so it does not matter. So what we can do, give a slight fold and make sure they are diagonal fold. So in this way you will get more drape. But in this top, one area is coming with a fold and one not, so better not to do it. We will cut the excessive fabric. So I will do